Hello students, this is Neetu Srivastava. Welcome you all in online class. Today children, I am here with your English grammar book, means English 2 book, and lesson number 9, doing words. Children, doing words, you are familiar with this word, and this is also known as verb. So children, before starting book and copy work, few instructions I want to tell you. First instructions, while you writing, your pencil should be sharp, and second instruction, while you doing your book and copy work, after doing or after completing it, you once check have you written correct or not. So children, let's proceed to the book work first. Children, you are seeing on the mobile screen page number 39 as I am showing you. In this part you are seeing children, both the side means left and right side few pictures have drawn and few words have written, like first is walking, second is cooking, third one is sleeping, fourth one is playing, next one eating, then again next one is reading, again next one is means second last watching, and the last one is dancing. Children, these are the verbs and which you have to match these words with the correct picture. So let's start. Children, while you are matching, you don't use your hand, you use a scale for draw the lines. So same way children, you are seeing first word walking, you find out which one is picture is match with. Yes, see downside. So this way children, you will complete this page number 39. Let's proceed to the next page. Children, here you are seeing page number 40 and question number A. Fill in the blanks with the doing words given in the box. Add S or ES whenever necessary. So children, this rule you have already known and ma'am is already explaining the videos. S and ES you use with the singular nouns, and you will not use S or ES with the plural nouns. Singular pronouns like he, she, it, you can use with these words, pronoun words, S or ES whenever it is needed. But in the plural pronoun like I, we, you, they, you can't use S or ES. So children, let's proceed with the first picture. First picture you are seeing the picture of sun and it is rising. So you will write the sun rises in the east. See children, sun rises in the east. Then write RISES, rises. Second picture is a picture of our trees. It is written, the sentence has written, trees dash us in many ways. So what you will write children? Help. Because tree is here for plural noun. So you will write verb HELP. Let's proceed to the next picture. On the page number, same page number I think it is. Page number. So you see third picture, two children are playing badminton. So you know if one child is there, then you will write plays. But here two children are playing. So here you are using noun as a plural form. So you will write they play badminton. Okay. Next picture you are seeing children. This is the picture of a girl who is drinking milk, and she is single, means singular noun is there. So you will write she drinks milk. Now go to the next part. B number question you are seeing on the mobile screen. Fill in the blanks with live or lives. So I already told you the rules. So I, we, you, they, with you will write without S or ES in verb, and with singular pronoun like he, she, it, you will use S or ES where it is needed. So first sentence I am going to read you. First you are seeing they dash in Mumbai. So they is a plural pronoun, so you will write they live in Mumbai. Second one, my brother dash in New Delhi. So my brother is a singular noun here, so you will write my brother lives in New Delhi. Third one, tigers dash in forest. Means tigers here we are talking about many tigers, not on a single tiger, so you will write here tigers live in forest. Next one, her uncle. Uncle is here singular noun, so you will write her uncle lives in Kolkata. Then next, fifth one, a lion dash in a den. A lion dash means lion is here singular noun, so you will write a lion lives in a den. Last one, Mr. Raman and Mr. Gopalan in dash in Chennai. So children, here you are seeing two singular nouns are joining with the and, means they become plural noun. So here you will write Mr. Raman and Mr. Gopalan live in Chennai. So I think children it is clear to you. Go to the next page number. This is page number 42. It is also a very interesting part of a verb. Add, you have to add not not, means the sentence in a positive form and you have to change in the negative form by putting not, not not. So first sentence is this thing here, he is singing. So what the answer will be? Yes, he is not singing. You are seeing few examples upside is already given. I am reading, I am not reading. It is raining, it is not raining. The girls are watching video. No, the girls are not watching video. So same children, you have to frame these sentences with the help of not word. So Durga is laughing, Durga is not laughing. The dog is sleeping, the dog is not sleeping. They are playing, they are not playing. So children, this way you will complete. Go to the next page, page number 43. Here you have to frame these words into question form. Two examples are already given. Children, you are already knowing is, am, are or helping verb, and while you making this verb in a question sentence, so you have to take out this is, am, are helping verb outside, then you will put noun pronoun means subject, you have to write after it. So see children, you are reading one example, we have taken out are outside, so are you reading, and you will end with the sentence with a question mark. The baby is crying, is the baby crying? So here at last you have to put question mark. Same way children, you are saying he is working, is he working? They are dancing, are they dancing? You are joking, are you joking? It is raining, is it raining? The girls are skipping, are the girls skipping? So children, you are seeing all the sentence, you are seeing according to the body language how I am explaining you, and everywhere you have to put the question mark children. So this way, and the last page is page number 44. You have to color the coins that have doing words, okay, like thanked, like cried, like fly, like took, like threw, like learn, like jump, and then like sleep. So this is the book work. Let's proceed to the copy work children. See children on your mobile screen that lesson number 9 doing words. Children, you will write same way in the copy, and writing should be neat and clean. Children, see upside. Question number 1, what do you mean by verb? So all doing words are called verb. Examples are run, walk, jump, go, read, eat, laugh, etc. So this question number 1 you have to write in the copy. Same way children, we will go to the next page. See there. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Here few sentences I have written, and you have to fill the correct suitable verbs, okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs, like children are dash. So generally children are playing, so you will write there children are playing, playing, playing. Then we should dash plenty of water. So what we do with the water? We drink water. So you will write we should drink plenty of water. Third sentence, he is dash a letter. So letter, what we do? Letter we write. So we will write here he is writing a letter. Children, be careful for the spelling also. Fourth sentence, dash the garbage in the dustbin. So throw, what we do in the dustbin, where we throw the garbage? We throw the garbage into the dustbin. Last sentence, I polish my shoes daily. So what you do with the shoes? You polish your shoes daily. Go to the next page children. Color the verbs in each sentence. Few sentences have written I am, and that you have to color which part is the part of verb. So see children, we should walk carefully. So walk is here verb. So you will color the walk. Second, my mother cooks tasty food. So you have to color which word? Of course, you will color the cooks. Third one, Lata is laughing. So what Lata doing the action? She is laughing. So laughing is here verb. The horse is running fast. So running is here the verb. Last sentence, teacher teach us good things. So here teach. So children, I think you have understood both the book and copy work of lesson 9 in English grammar. And children, it's a humble request, please complete your work as soon as possible and upload on the assignment link where you will uploading earlier. So children, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. Thanks and bye bye, take care of yourself. Bye bye children.